I'm going to show you how to enhance our vegan patty in our new Southwest burger. What we do is we start with a vegan brioche bread that's toasted. Take some chipotle veganaise, put it on the bottom, and as you all know that I like on bottom end and the top of the bread. Then we take our arugula. We put a little arugula down on the base. Then we take our patty. Then a little of this Havarti, this is Daya Havarti cheese. And you can melt it over the top. I happen to like it just this way. It has a little bit of heat in it, which is really nice. So I like to pile that on a little bit. And then take a little bit of our pickled red onions over the top. And then a nice sprig or sprigs of cilantro over the top. And there you have the finish of our Southwest. Put the bun over the top. We put a little pick in it to hold it. And there is your Southwest spicy vegan burger.